About the resource, what is resource? So resource is actually which is the utility, means usability and the value. Is called the resource. Anything around us which is the utility and value, which is the resource. There are the many resources like land resource, soil resource, water resource, vegetation, and the wildlife resources. Land resource will then it comes to our minds how land is a resource. We know that we live on the land and use of the land, that is why it is a resource, and 30% of the total areas of the earth surface is covered with the land, but all places are not habitable. Uneven population distribution according to topography, and every region has a different land resources and soil, water, every has a different, and the and use of land for the also agriculture, forestry, mining, constructions, and the unlimited population polluted, so we need to conserve it through the forestation. Secondly, the soil resource, which is the how it is a resource. As you understand what is the soil. Soil is the formed by the process of weathering and is the grainy substance over the top surface. We use mainly for the agriculture, but nowadays it faces many problems like soil erosion and deforestation. So we need to conserve it by the mulching. Mulching is the process in which we spread straw on the land to it's get moisture, which helps in the soils make fertile, and the also contour barrier. Contour barrier is a type of farming in which we used terraces bay which used to run off water and preserve the soil, and the intercropping means change crop for the cultivation, not only depend on one crop. This is used to make check the fertility of soil and increase it. And third is a water resource. Water which is a renewable resource. Then how renewable resource and present in unlimited amount. Then why it is a important for us to study, because fresh water which is a used for the human consumption present only 1%. Nowadays it also faces many problems due to the population rising, and which leads to the contamination of water resource. So ability to preserve it and conserve it by the water harvesting and change the irrigation system like drip sprinkler system. And third is the vegetation and the wildlife resource. We see the wildlife and the vegetation, how it become resource because it also helps in the managing and balancing the ecosystem. Any problem comes, then ecosystem disbalance, and this creates the global warming. Vegetation, which is a growing crops, paper food, all provides us, and the animals also provides it hide, bull, meat, and many more. So we need to conserve it like one of some, and ban on the illegal hunting of the animals.